Okay, hello everybody, this is Dr. Gilmore and we have a wonderful patient here today. I'm not going to show her face, but just so you know, I'm going to show you her utility belt, which includes a taser, it includes some magazines, and over here looks like some kind of, is that a Glock? Glock, 45 cal? 45 caliber Glock. So she's already told me if I make a mistake, then she feels any pain, this is going to be a problem. So what we have here, we're going to give her a nickname. How about we just call you New Mexico? How do you like that? So I got a thumbs up over there. And as you can see here, we have a pretty sore toe. It's ingrown. She's got a mild paronychia, which we're going to relieve while we do the nail removal. And we're going to go ahead, and if you can look down there, you can see this nail has been removed before. Isn't that right, New Mexico?
She's not talking.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that's right. So this time what we're going to do when we remove it, we're going to go ahead and destroy the nail matrix with some phenol. That's carboxylic acid. Okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, so we're going to numb you up first. That's the hard part. I'm going to hand the phone over to Gonzo, and we'll go from there. Hi, little Gonzo. How are you today?
I want more candy and chips and
You want
soda.
more candy? Hey, those donuts were good, weren't they?
I didn't eat one, I just eat, so.
This is how many I had.
Oh, you cheating on your diet.
I
have to go work out first.
You cheating.
I'm going to get killed if she finds out. I know she's going to see the video.
I won't tell her. Okay, here, let me hand the phone off to you. Don't show New Mexico's face. She has asked that her identity be obscured.
Or you will be tased.
Or she will tase and or shoot me.
Don't like needles.
She doesn't
Are
like
you doing
needles.
both?
No, we're not going to do the other. We're just going to do one today. Let me get in here if I could.
That one hurts too.
Yeah, but it's not nearly as bad. And I'm not going to put you on two sore toes.
So which one
All right,
first?
I'm going to have you lift up here a little bit. Back, right there we go. Move over just a wee bit. Perfect. This is the one we're going to do right here. And you can see all of that not pretty area. So the first thing we're going to have to do here in New Mexico is we're going to have to numb up your toe.
Is that the cold stuff? Because it doesn't feel
Nope.
cold to me.
This is just some alcohol we're using.
Oh.
Getting ready to do the shot. We're going to have Gonzo spray some cold spray on you. Right here first, little Gonzo. You've never actually shot a doctor, have you?
No.
This thing has just gone crazy on me.
But I have to take it one before.
You had to tase a doctor?
Protect the one.
Oh, protect one. Okay. Well, that's okay. Little stick.
Oh.
Sting and a burn. Gonzo says it, but she didn't say it this time. Deep breath.
Breathe.
Wonderful. Good. Now we're going to do the other side. Deep breathe. Breathe, 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 breathe. Come on. Come on, New Mexico. Stay with me now.
What is wrong with this thing today?
It's empty.
It still has some in there.
There you go. Keep breathing.
I'm going to have to do it from far away, probably. There you go.
There you go. There you go. Little stick.
We're going to get...
Sting. Burn. There you go. Good job. Good job. Okay. Woo! That was the hard part there, New Mexico. I know you don't like needles, but you were sure brave. Now, while we're waiting, we're going to go ahead here and we're going to attach the hemostat, and we'll do that off camera. All right, so we're going to enough Gumby.
Hello.
Everybody loves Gumby. You're right. They do. They love Gumby.
She's a hater.
New Mexico, you love Gumby too, don't you? And you just barely met her, right?
I met it before.
New Mexico, who's the last person you tased?
I got tased.
You got tased?
You have to get tased in practice.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
okay. How was it?
It doesn't hurt. If
Really?
I'm mad,
Uh-huh.
it doesn't bother me.
You can go right through a tase, huh?
Yes.
What does it feel like? Like, is it like...
It doesn't feel good.
You feeling any pain?
No.
I'm just using the nail lifter right now. You've got thick nails.
Also, you already numbed it and all that.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, no. She's just super, she can tolerate
Are
it.
you serious?
Here, can you hold it? I have to go get something really quick for him.
What do you have to get?
The little cup to do the zip thing.
Yep, good. Okay, so we're going to use the nail lifter first. We just did that in New Mexico, so we lifted your nail up a little bit on that side.
Was this a nail in there?
A nail lifter. It's just a little tool that does just that.
Did you see it in a toenail? In a nail?
Did I see it? I'm not done yet.
Oh,
Yeah, we're going
I thought you was finished.
No, we just lifted it up. Now we're going to slip the cutter in there. We're going to cut out part of that nail. Everybody's going to notice that you've got... Okay, wait, time out. We're going to hear a click now. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh,
Wow.
how was that? That's a pretty good click.
Yeah, that was real.
All right, we made the cut. Now we're going to use a hemostat. We're going to carefully remove part of your toenail, which is literally going to just fall out here. Nice and slow. There it is, a little piece of nail. We're going to put it right
It was
there.
a piece of nail in there?
No, that was your toenail. And then we're going to just check the rest of this out. You've got a little bit of kind of granulated tissue in there, but it looks pretty good. I don't see any pus.
I got it out.
You got it out, you got some out, but I don't see any now. Okay. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to use the phenol. I'll just show, we got a little phenol right here. We're just going to put
You're
it
supposed to show this part, Alexis.
over here. And a little phenol right there. Okay. And then we're going to just put it right in there.
Do you want to get another Q-tip?
Yes, ma'am. And we are, well, there we go. Get it down in there. And we are going to count to 20. You get to count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
12,
13,
14,
15,
16,
17.
20. Okay, good.
That wasn't 20.
Well, it really was. You just counted awfully slow. We're going to do it twice now, 20 seconds. Well, that was the longest 20 seconds in the world.
Well,
It really was.
that's how I do my 20 seconds.
It's because it's not a toe.
There you go. Now you count again.
1,
2,
2,
3.
3, 4, 5, 10, 20.
Gumby.
Yeah, you teach us bad habits. Just saying.
Okay, that's about 20.
That about 20? I would say so too. All right, we're going to take that out. Hopefully, New Mexico, that nail is not going to grow back now, just on that edge. So hopefully, ingrown toenails are going to be a thing of the past.
The front too, the front part too.
And the front part too, that whole part. I think you did great. So we're going to get, we're going to ask Donna to come do,
No,
Donna's gone.
no, Donna's gone.
who's going to do the tube gauze?
Me and Gumby.
Gumby and Gonzo are going to do a tube gauze for you. Now here's the rule, you ready? Don't let this get wet for 3 days.
Oh my God.
That means when you take a shower, you have to put a baggie over your foot. If you don't let this get wet for 3 days, then it won't hurt. Okay? You giving this to me?
Yeah, I was trying to get the.
Oh,
inside
get a
of
good
the
picture?
toe.
Yeah. Very
Check
good.
that out.
Looks pretty cool. All right, well, you were very brave. Are you going to tase me after all?
No, sir.
Oh, you're so sweet. Thanks a lot. Okay, well, thanks for letting us record you for YouTube. All right.
What are you
Alright.
gonna do with the other
We're
one? That's
out.
kind of hurt.
The other one, we're gonna, I'm gonna give you some tips on it, and we're gonna see if it'll heal on its own.
I hope so, but it hurts.
Okay.
I was speaking of it too.
Okay, you're live. Tell us about Meta 7 DW.
Hi.
You're the DW.
I am the dear wife. I'm Jill, and I've been taking Meta 7 for several months. I take it with my multivitamin every morning, and I have a lot of energy and I feel really good, but when I really noticed it is I decided one day that I was going to take it later because it does curb your appetite a little bit, and I was snacking at night and I forgot and I had to take a 4-hour nap. And then the other day I just was dragging when I tried to take it, when I didn't take it, and I forgot it. So that's my story.
So you have more energy when you take it.
I have a lot more energy when I take it and I feel really well.
Would you give it up right now?
Nope.
Good. I didn't think you would. And who invented it?
My wonderful husband.
Okay. That we like to hear.
Yep, he's a great guy.